Let's make some wild boar chili and cheese boudin. This could potentially piss off Texas and Louisiana. Let's go. As usual, all the ingredients will be listed in the description box down below. This is how I make my chili, but if you have your own special way of making chili, go ahead and use your recipe. I'm adding a lot of warm spices to my chili, as well as a can of tomatoes, and I like to add some beans as well. I know if you're in Texas, you don't add beans to your chili, and that's all good. Add some bay leaves, bring this up to a simmer, put it into a 350-degree oven for about 3 hours until super tender, and at the end, I'm going to fold in some deseeded chopped jalapeños, run this through a mixer, add some rice as much as you want, add some scallions, I'm going to add some high-temp cheddar cheese. Now it's time to load up the hopper and stuff it into some natural hog casings. Once they're done, I put them on a wire rack into the fridge overnight to let them dry out and let the casings shrink. Now to heat them up, I like a skillet with some butter. Ooh, looks like we had a little blowout here, but it's gonna be delicious. All right, let's try this, y'all. Yes! Hell yes. Amazing. Make this recipe. You know what?